All right, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good Sunday. I'm just starting off my Sunday, so by the time you watch this, probably Wednesday, Tuesday, who knows. But anyway, I'm actually here in Summerlin, and we're gonna take a look at this $1,525,000 home here. This is actually a Toll Brothers home. This home right here is about 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, total 6 bath. So today there's an open house with my girl Kaudi Nagao. So let me go get a mask. Normally I have a bunch of masks in my car, but let's see. I don't have one. I have one, but it's used, which is not a good idea. Are you sure?
So, flyers inside, but go help yourself.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm gonna pass out flyers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go take a look at this property real quick. Open houses. Haven't done an open house for like a long time. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Take a look at this. Wow. I do love the fireplace, the color block. Ooh, is this donuts? So a lot of this stuff was actually a upgrade during the time to build. Like I said, this is a Toll Brothers product. Not bad. You know what? Let's do a B-roll. Alright, we just got done with the open house, and we're pretty much out of here. And got to meet some old clients, and that was great too as well. But now it's time to go spend some time with my lovely wife. Hey! You guys have a mask? So we wanted to eat at Jen's, which we still are. However, forgot our masks at home, and I figured that maybe the establishments will have masks because they used to have masks before, but this time they don't have a mask. So now we gotta head over to the mall. I'm gonna go talk to security. Hopefully security at the mall has a mask. If not, now I'm forced to buy a mask, which is, I don't have a problem. I just don't want to spend money on the mask. I mean, if it's free, it's free, right? So security's not here. We're gonna break in. We're gonna go get a mask. Ma'am, you need to wear a mask.
Thank you.
Kids, do not do this. I'm a trained professional. Got the mask. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, you got your hand sanitizer, babe? I know I showed this a couple times as far as like the vlogs and stuff like that with the Jen's Korean barbecue. I mean, look how good this food is. I think it's pretty much reasonable as far as the price, and you can literally hang out for like 90 minutes and you can eat as much as you want. Now, if you guys haven't tried this type of food, I would encourage you guys to try it. And we are located here in Henderson in Galleria Mall. So what I'll do is I'll try to have a link in the description below if I do remember. So if you guys ever come out here, thinking about a place to eat, this is definitely one of the places I would highly recommend that you try. So I feel like it fits perfect right here. But the problem is that when you wash it,
it's gonna shrink up.
it's gonna shrink. So watch, I'm gonna try the large. It's like, see how much like baggy it is?
That's too big.
It is, right?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
way too big.
The problem is like I'm kind of like in that between. But yeah, I think the medium. But take a look at here. This is a nice one, right? Yeah, maybe we can get a couple more shirts like that. Oh, you gotta take off the arm first? Oh, can I see the hand for a second? Yeah, I think I want that one right there. Yeah, can I get that jacket right there, ma'am? Yeah, that one right there. Are you having a hard time taking that off right there, ma'am? Did you need a hand? So here's the thing. I'm totally debating if I should get these shoes or get these shoes. Not too sure. Let me know which one I should actually get. Which one do you like the best, darling?
I mean, I guess I'd go with the Air just because it's different from what you normally get. The other one.
Should we get both? Oh, should I get both?
They're like all in the same color family too.
Yeah, I know, but it's a different style, you know what I mean?
You like those ready?
You ever heard of YouTube?
Sorry?
Have you heard YouTube before?
No.
No? I can't see. Is it good?
Yeah. You use my glass.
I know, I left my glasses there.
Okay, hold please.
You want me to hold it? Okay.
Yes.
This stuff hurts, guys. And yes, I do get my eyebrows threaded. She's like literally pulling my hair with thread. What do y'all think about the new look? You did a really good job, ma'am. Thank you. What's the total?
10.
Thank you. You have a great day. Damn, my eyebrows on point today. She's probably like, oh my god, how many times are you gonna redo? The other lady is not there. Oh yeah, because it's every...
She's not there on Sunday.
Oh look, babe, my shoes. Look how cute that is. Look at Desi up there. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this vlog. If you guys like the content, let me know in the comments below. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit that notification button too as well. We are now about 2,800 subs. I'm trying to get to 3,000. I really need your help. Other than that, till next time, be blessed guys.